All right, guys. So I'm here with today with Jared Kraut, All-American All-Star, really. Jared is a former collegiate sprinter. How many time All-American?
Six-time All-American.
Six-time All-American. This dude's the real deal. He's a sprint coach now, but he's had some problems with, in his training and stuff. And he's standing, at work for long periods of time. He's having some trouble with that terminal knee extension. His right knee feels stiff, and he feels like he can't get it into fully extended, right? And you can even see if Jared's just standing here, go ahead and just straighten that and pull your short. He's got some issues there with getting that thing straight. We should be able to get fully extended and actually probably a little bit past extension or a little hyperextension. So Jared, go ahead and go on the ground here, and we'll just kind of have a look at it, see how it looks. Ideally, you should be able to get this knee to the ground, certainly the calf portion. But, so he's really stiff here, and you can even look at, if we're comparing, I'm going to get down there, this right one sticks up more. Now, he's got a history of surgery in this knee, right? What'd you have?
Meniscus surgery.
So he had a meniscus surgery a couple, probably 7 years ago. So he's had some issues with this, some chronic stiffness. Now, he can perform, the guy's a stud, but we're always looking to improve, make the best athletes better. So here's a quick exercise, and Jared and I have kind of already gone, we looked at this, so I want to show this to you guys. So what this is just a jump stretch band. You can get it at jumpstretch.com or Rogue Fitness. And what he's doing is essentially, he's putting that right distal to his knee joint, so right below the knee joint. So if here's the crease, it's right below there. And essentially, all he's doing is he's putting as much tension as he can. So this is what do you think, Jared? 150 pounds of tension on this?
Yes, right around there.
And so now he's giving a glide, an anterior glide to that knee joint, and he's contracting his quads. This will help pull that knee joint fully straight. A lot of times people can get really locked up into this position. And the problem with that is that it gets, the knee joint can't fully lock. And so that causes a lot of some instability, possibly some cartilage wear over time due to that unstable knee. The other thing it's going to do is it's really going to decrease some of his power output, and for instance, in sprinting and things like that, if he can't get the full triple extension. So he's just hitting this for a couple minutes here. And so the other thing is too, this will burn your quads out. So we get a nice 2-for-1 of some closed chain strengthening and some terminal knee extension. And we'll hit that, Jared, just for a couple more seconds. By the way, Jared's a fantastic dancer and drives a pretty nice car, so he's just got the whole thing going on for him. Okay, good. And then go ahead and just come off of there. And if you just go ahead and just stand, show us that same view. Yeah, so you can see, that looks pretty good, pretty much a lot better. Now, Jared, how does that feel?
Feels a lot better. It feels like it's not as tight, especially in the joint. Like when I extend, you get more full extension.
Yeah, so you feel like you can kind of lock it out a little bit more. And then if we just have you hop on the ground here and we'll look at it from this aspect.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Oh yeah, a lot better. And you can see now that thing is down on the ground. We've got a little bit more extension. Now, he's got some ways to go, and we only hit that for 30, 40 seconds. So ideally, guys, we want to go until we see change. That may be 2-3 minutes. But here's what we're all about. We're all about improving position. And Jared Kraut, killing it. All right, we'll talk to you later.